Hello! I am so excited that you're here. You want to start upcycling your own clothes or just start sewing in general. I want to share the top 5 tools that have helped me the most in my upcycling journey. First up, fabric scissors. These are not your everyday scissors. These are specifically designed for fabric. Trust me, you do not want to ruin your fabric with a pair of dull or multi-purpose scissors. It will just cause so much chaos and stress in your life. You want to keep them separate. I have multiple sets of scissors in my studio that have their specific purposes. Next, meet your new best friend, the seam ripper. Mistakes happen, especially when you're starting out, but this handy little tool makes it so easy to fix them. With its sharp point and small blade, you can quickly remove any unwanted stitches without damaging your fabric. Pretty neat. Think of it as your sewing eraser. This magical little tool is a fabric marker. This is a lifesaver when it comes to precision and tracing out your patterns. The magic is that the marks disappear when it's exposed to water or heat, leaving your fabric looking flawless. I also use this chalk tool. It's refillable and perfect for darker fabric that my marker can't be seen on. Number 4, pins and clips. When you're working with multiple layers of fabric, keeping them in place is crucial. Pins are great for precision, while clips are perfect for thicker fabrics or delicate materials that you do not want to pierce. Both are absolute lifesavers for keeping your projects under control. I like to favor clips because you get stabbed 100% less. Last but not least, the fabric measuring tape. This is great for when you're measuring parts of your body that are not straight. You'll get the perfect measurement every time. The flexible design makes it easy to measure all your curves and shapes accurately. And those are the 5 essential tools that every beginner needs to start sewing with confidence. Let me know what you're most excited to start sewing with in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more sewing tips and upcycling inspiration. I hope you have a very whimsical day.